How to make character AI group chat. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to make a group chat in character AI. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just search up for character AI and then just open the app. And then once you're here, what you want to do is just click on the create button right here. And then after that, just click on group chat. And then from here, what you want to do is to add the characters that you want in your group chat. So for example, I want to add Makima, Levi Ackerman, and then Aaron Yeager. And then from here, you can also rename the group chat on the top section right here. Just click on this pencil icon. Then after that, you can name the group chat. So for example, I'll just name it sample group chat. And then after that, just click on save. And then once you're ready to create the group chat, just click on create group chat right here. And then there you go. The group chat has now been created. So from here, you can now send messages in your group chat. So let's say I want to send hello. And then after that, you can also send messages to the characters right here. So it says right here at the bottom, tap a character to chat with. So you can simply just choose the character that you want to chat with just by clicking on their profile. Or you can click on this dice icon right here if you want it to be randomized. And then yeah, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a group chat in character AI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.